Angry Tum Tum channel, and today I'm gonna be telling you what I think about stock market in Indonesia. There are cryptos too, but right now I want to discuss about the bank's stocks, which is OCPC and NISP. Okay, it's been going up since 2022, I think. Look at that. Okay, 2022, and then went all the way up from 720 to 1340 within 2023, and now it is breaking above 1320, which is on this green area, the green line, 1320, and now it's 1340. I bought a little bit, and so basically it went up almost twice, right? 720 to 1340. I think it hits like 1400. Yep, 1400 if you see the high of this area. Okay, so it's like almost doubling, and I still believe it's gonna go up. And how do I calculate that? The distance between here, and then we do there's a line here. Let me draw the line. Okay, let me draw the line from here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, oh, it's pretty hard to draw with my hand. I don't know if my stylus. Okay, so then I'm gonna move this to this area, and then make it, okay, let's say from here, and then I'm gonna make it sideways like this. Okay, so this is gonna be the target around 2200, or 2000 to 2200. That's my target is. And if you look at the monthly chart, you can also deduct the price from the 720 all the way to 1340, using this line, this green candle, all the way here, all to the up here, and then it will replicate from here to there. So let's calculate the mathematics of it. Okay, so 720 minus 1340, which is the high and the low of last year, it's gonna be equal 620. So 620 plus 1320, so the target could be around 1940. Okay, no, it's from here, so it should be from 1050, I think. Sorry. So the first target is gonna be around 1670, around here. Okay, if you buy right now, okay, 1670 minus 1340, we can see how many percentage that we have. Hold on. So it's gonna be around 24% for the year 2024. At least you got this 24% if you buy around this 1340 and it went up to 1670. That's my prediction as of now. So let me know what you think. Okay, let me tell you the risk of buying this. Basically, it's a healthy company. As you can see, it's it has profit of 4 trillion rupiah, which is a pretty big amount in Indonesian money, and the assets and everything is positive. But it doesn't pay a lot of dividend. Actually, it pays only in 2022, 2023. Okay, so the rest is, while you're waiting, it doesn't go up that much, but it shows a good trend. If you can see it in the past by taking out the previous price. Okay, it went up, but it's not that amazing, but if you want to wait and get the dividend, you should get this one, the CIMB Bank, which is the symbol is BNGA. So while waiting for it to goes up, and it is breaking above 2000, what is it, to 1815, right? I think it's breaking this, and then this 2024. Okay, it is breaking above that, Okay, it is around here. Okay, that's the low. It's around 1100 all the way to 1850, and then now it is still breaking up. If you buy this, it's a lot better because wow, there's a lot of line. I should delete it. I got so many lines. Okay, so if you buy this while waiting, you got the consistent dividend around, I think, 5%. Okay, that's the dividend. And if you see the yield on the bottom, it's a 5.51%, the valuation dividend. Okay, so and it pays a good amount of dividend payout ratio, which is 2022 around 55%, and then 2021 57, and 2022 57%. So it's distribute their net income to the shareholder at least 55% during the first 4 years. I don't know about 2023. Okay, it's just not okay. Is I see it here is around 115, right? So 115, wait, let me delete it. 115 0.16 divided by 258. Hold on. So it's around, actually it went down. It's around 44.63%. Okay, but it is still paying dividend. And if you see the dividend, hold on. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not. This is the 2022. Okay, so I am waiting for the 2024 on the April, because it usually pay every April. Okay, so April, and then it pays on the May. So it means you have to wait for the dividend, you know, to calculate the TPR rate. And if you go back to the NISP, it's only distribute their profit around 20% on 2021. It doesn't even pay on 2022 while waiting, and 2022 it went up like twice to 40%. Okay, so that's the risk. All of them are, you know, a pretty good company, but this one is even better company. As you can see, the assets is higher, around 334 trillion, and the net profit is 6.47 trillion, which is 2 trillion bigger than this one. Okay, it's only 4 trillion, so that one is a little bit more, 6 trillion. So I mean, it's a decent company to buy, and if you want to get that, if you don't mind having that 5%, then you can get in. Okay, and the other one is BBNI. Okay, it's paying 25% and 40% of dividend payout ratio. Okay, it doesn't pay that much, but the profit, everything is going up on the banking sector, and the net profit, as you can see, is 20.9 million. No, not million, trillion. So it's around like 3.5 times more than the BNGA. And the dividend is not that much. So if you calculate it by how much you get, like, okay, 461, hold on. Okay, let's say the dividend is 196. Hold on, 196. Okay, let's say that I use that 392. Okay, divided by 59.75, it's around 6.5% if you get it in the 2020. But it's gonna be 2020. But I think it's higher, because if you see the 2023 price, the price is much lower. Look at 2023 on the March or May, it's around 5,600. So let's say put 4,700. So it's pretty good. It's like 8.3%. Okay, if you hold this company, because it's paying dividend every year consistently. All right, even though it doesn't pay out everything to the shareholder, the yield is still good enough for you to have, okay, while waiting. And then this is like one of the top banks in Indonesia, like I think top 4 maybe. So So this should be safe for investment. So the EPS or earning per share is 461, which is around, okay, it's around 18%. 18 point, let's compare it with the okay, this is 18%, right? Let's compare it to the BNGA. I think it's a lot cheaper. 258 divided by 2100, only 12%. As you can see in the price to book value, around here it's only 1956.57, okay, on the left of the calculator. And then so it's not far away. The price is now is like 2090, right? But if you look at the BBNI, the book value, it's around 4,025 rupiah. Okay, so it's slightly more expensive, which is around 1.48 for the ratio over here on the left of the calculator. Okay, for the this one, it's around it's around 1.07 for the price to book value. And then, sorry, someone called. And then if you check the NISP, it's a lot cheaper actually. Actually the price to book value is around 1926.48, okay. And the dividend, and so it's around 0.82, okay. So right now it has a discount of 18% discount, okay. But the bad thing is they don't pay dividend, okay. So that's the risk. So the value is around so to calculate the earning, it's 178 rupiah divided by the price starting 40. So the earning and compared to the share price is 13.28%, which is a lot higher than the BNGA. Okay, the BNGA is around, okay, only 12.28%, so it is less, okay. And if you see the BBNI, actually it's a lot higher, 561 divided by 5950. Okay, it's less, 9.4%. So I think it's pretty cheap. So I think NISP is the winner because it's a lot cheaper compared to the current price, okay. So I hope you can take advantage of the news that I'm giving you. Okay, this is my other investment, which is TRX, that I show you in the my other videos. And I've been buying it around 10.7 area here, and then now it went up to 14%. So you don't have to follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you an information, but you have to decide it by yourself, okay. Okay, so that's the my TRX that I show you. This is not a stocks, this is crypto, and I've been buying it since 1075, the average cost on the left, and then the last price is around 14 cents. So it went up pretty. So if you calculate it, it went up like 30% already from this 1075, the average cost, and the last price here. I already up 30% on my crypto. So subscribe, like, and comment, and good luck in 2024. You'll be rich, man. Bye bye. Have a great day. Stay strong and question everything.